All right, so let's quickly run this program without wasting much time. Lasuba, we are coming to you. We are in your house today. Although I started very late, but I will manage it that way, please. We may not be too long. I will try my best to go through this one. Please make sure you like the video, like the video, like the video. Please, I'm begging you to like the video. Amadi Chigoze, I see you. I'm strong. Nkai ibata no geta. How is life? Nice to see you. Hey, Triple M. There were Triple. Say greeting to him as a guy report. There were man, good. Greetings to you, all my genuine Biafran citizens. I greet you. Emma Lasuba with her instrument. I hope you guys have seen the video that I uploaded on my second platform. I hope you have seen that. We have watched. Life is good, my brother. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that I'm strong. Waiting Lasuba carry for hand. Which means you watch Benyana, and the video is in our second platform. Go and watch it. I'm not gonna tell you. Go and watch it. I'm here for another time. I purposely put it here. It is things of joy knowing that our people are really pushing. Last God about the greeting from my end. Lasuba, on a master style. Although I did not mock her in that video, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of I tried to be polite, but what triggered me to bring her back this night? I wanted to talk about Ogenkere. Then I saw that she's talking about DPM on her platform. I said, okay, let's come back to the touch before. But why is it that each time I'm talking about I will be laughing? I swear, last time different. Yeah, different, but I'll show you myself. Quite baseball they do with your drill machine. Okay, you have not watched the video. You have not watched. Please follow us on our second platform. The video is there. For those of you that don't know our second platform, you can just see your. I think I'm strong. I think you are there. You are there. Where's that my okay? No. Okay. Yeah, this is my second platform. For those of you that may not know, just all you need to do is just go to YouTube and type at truthdesk_001. That channel will come up. Okay, it will come up. This video is there. Now I'm going to start without wasting much time because we started late. Let's just go straight to the program. Benjamin will go. Benjamin said, I just finished watching it now. Okay. Okay, Benjamin, thank you so much. Thank you. Lasuba, no one here say they shot, they shoot bed they shoot bed in Maron. Okay, no one can say they shoot bed in Maron. I don't know they can Kuchana. Since Lasuba does not want to accept defeat, Bez is around the corner on her case. Oh, yes, I am there and I watch it, but not live. No, it wasn't live. It's a recorded video. Guys, kindly hit like button once you join. Thank you so much. And then I will start by playing her video while I will why sharing it. So please do me a favor by sharing it as well. I'm ready for what are you here?
Oh, na magwa yun. Mala hola. Do it like I know near. And what would is you? Jemun well on wine on now. I won't din Jemun well on where. Our leader Mazin Nande Kano. No, but to be the way like.
Why? Because you want to be a leader. I could have was here.
I will like I know near. Jemun well on wine or Kitania. Oh, yet futu ibi binye. Kume. Phone wagon dikene chineke.
Okay.
Oh, njem nwere onwe anyị nọ ya na. Njem nwere onwe anyị nọ ya before ihe joy. During time of our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu aṅụrị. Ọbata obi nọ ya aṅụrị. Mana ihe ọma meela anyị beta ọnụọla anyị ọbụla ife ọjọọ. Because ọ ya mmekwu. Because ọnwụ na mma na edeclare Biafra na anyị anọ na mesi anyị nọ na ya today. Masi Biafra wakadeva. I continue because I want to declare Biafra. I divide into two. One on where declare la Biafra the late. I will go to night 2 years. Obato Biafra. What did the master Nadekana but I declare with one mind and the love. Oh yeah, Juma for. Damn now declare la Biafra now. I now for the end I have to be before. Which na ya mana one woman wa dan de bu me understand even a menu. Yen na chimeka onu kowalo no wonu nu je na social media na unu ye na afo mana Twitter or get this thing unu ye na afo voice message. Voice messages unu na afo that place. Mgbe nnala because no nwere ka ife sa wo mezie ekwuo mie. Because half an normal was the struggle and azo. It's like na adandem banande get a woozy Biafra. And I'm all me from my way up more. It's like a normal was in Nigeria. Can we say like that? Hey, Okudova.
But in case of
Onyo na na zosia dandem banande.
What if this is again in Nigeria? In a bodo Christian. In a Tokasa Madas. In a brief before your jaws on men, or your jaw men, because I'm Jacka Dodger. Oh, give me Pelon as that Namadebo Yobuno, a terrorist. The same thing Nigerian government is an IPOB a terrorist group. If they can, I think I have to get that is exactly what you are doing. This person here, I don't have time for you. Okay, I'm just having program. If you don't respect yourself, I will block you for good. Just I have not seen your comment, but seeing your name already, I know that you are doing because don't make good comment. He said, I want you to know that Briggy TV is a bidder. Let's hear.
Hapụzie ndị kwesịrị ịzọrọ nnọọ ka azọwa ọwụla ada mmụọ onye ọwụna bite tinye n'isi ada ndụ na-ekwukwa okwu ewu ndị saịdị Ngozi bụ Ọlabaeze o nwere ife nchọrọ ịkọrọ ụnụ and achọrọ m nkọrọ ụnụ ife a na biko any dream help in fact ọnụrube nwanne agba n'ọsọ iwe nwanne elu n'ọkpụkpụ ihe mere gị gbala o nwanne ghara nwanne mbasị nwanne ọya na onye na-emekịta ka m chọrọ mkpu ka m tipụtara ụlọ because ọnwụ na mgba nkịtị na-akpụ ụla mmụọ ma na-agbagharị o nwere unu wọchị Emeka Gana si that na ya emesịa m ife
yeah, but video before what do video please
mesịa m ife na o nwere ife ya eme m
let me make it clear. This is Lasuba. Okay, 1 year ago. 1 year ago. You know why I bring this video? Why I went back? I started this video. I said why I play it because this woman claimed something here. They record the voice here. Now, man, hack your phone. They record the voice here. Okay, now what? She just wake up one month like that. Her voice are everywhere on social media, Twitter, and YouTube, and all that, and Facebook. Nkata ya na ndị mmadụ kpagasị the voice not everywhere. On ebe they deny. No bro, ya record. Because why she denied it? You know why? I will tell you why I believe that she's the one that recorded herself. Because she bragged that she recorded everything. Yes, even recently. That once you called her, she will record you. She said that. She bragged about it. There's a video of this woman that I played, I think last week or last 2 weeks, where she was telling PMs someone that if I have video, if I have okay for her, then she was saying that with joy, bragging on what she do, because she's good at recording people. Now she's here denying that she's not the one that recorded that conversation. Those ones say no, you are the one. But you have a history of recording communication. You always record. You record no leak is nobody, I don't believe that anybody hacked her. She's the one that recorded it, but the thing just leaked. Maybe she mistakenly sent it to somebody, and that thing will put us outside with fullness. Now that put us outside the fullness, and she cannot even control it anymore.
No, Emeka Ghana, ebidogo ya ife uti ndị ụchụ ibie. Uchi na ngwala fadat na ebe ada mmụọ no.
Franco Koye, I agree to my brother.
Olesa na ndụ adọm n'ime arụ. And hence, ndụ dada ndị mba na ndị. Oh my God. The only person when he can stop mụnwa, say mụ gba break, mụ shut up. I shut them up. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Obatobie.
Now, Obatobie na wagi remain where you are. Imenia, the answer is no. If everything Obatobie will give me, you have not done even one. Okay, fast on the Inonia.
Without these two people, nobody.
Say
Onye make it. And the one onye onye also kwanya wuru. Na njem nwere onwa. The only two people na fight nji makaba kwechili so mmadụ na-aba ndị nwere ike stop my break. Ha nwa ndị ya agbanwe enu. If not, onwere onye ọzọ. Anụnụ that na ụmụazị a no one onye take care of them. When I call Ngozi mkpọrọ program here, wee jụọ si biko na ọnwụ na nchọpụta na adị enye ụmụazị ego na obi ha adị m mma. And the men nchọpụta ọnwụ na anaghị enye ha ego. Wee mee nkwayalị o wee wụ n'eziokwu. Adị enye ụmụazị.
After ka ịchọpụtara emewe nkwayalị.
Wee tibieliwe. Wee contact one woman. Wee contact Emeka Ghana. Add many people in contact. After come with the account, and will iji wee reach her. Eji when you had the money, near ego, high jinailing. Wepo, Sibiko, Uno. Then a woman made something with her heart. At her mother tongue. Made something with their heart, pure heart. Mananka un problem. because I gonna fancy how na nili ego enye mo nwe mu so conscience ma na ma so hey secret me ehone nzukwa susu juo account nyelo wa afamo aga awu problem enwe m ike inye mmadu ego akejiba ime ike iji account mmadu we napụtara mmadu ego that this one is not excuse mana onye a si na enyezi na ọnwụ na-enye ihe nke ahụ another thing njukwa susu juo ngozi ala beze na data account ahụ nyele ndị a echiri ego na ya oji data account ọnwụ na oji data account nya nwarazie that na ọwa eziokwu ka m kwuru ka ọwa asị anụbeghị m reply ụnọ nke ahụ the problem ebe nọ n'idi enyemaka ụnụ na akpọrọ m why woman the first person mkpọ with my phone o nwere onye ọzọ nọ na that phone o mụ na na-agbakpacha nkata I drop the second person mkpa wee Emeka Ghana mụ na Emeka Ghana akpacha nkata I drop ọnwụọkwa joint communication no another person mkpọkwara mụ na na-agbakpacha nkata or drop adịzi surprise the communication mụ na nche niile mere n'ozi na social media onyezi lekọdụ ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede amarọ asị nna m elekọdụ because after listen meji we lekọdụ ya the other woman si na ya elekọdụ onye nke ọzọ si na ya elekọdụ onyezi lekọdụ ka ezi ka o si n'ozi na social media ka ezi ka o si n'ọma na Twitter na-akọta na-eshi ya and I know that na voice vaji the conversation haji kanko I want to know hack my phone about this so phone so you can need to be never come my jan come on I be when nusi come on and never be noon and never be noon I'm one mother on a phone the moon is no or get it then car.
Okay, for those of you that may be confused about what she's saying, this is the time when she started crossing boundary. Remember people that started penetrating into BLA then? It started from Mazakwa, Aquaman, and Imam Madabo Oginkere through success. How this woman managed to penetrate, I don't know. Then also that that now these men are not receiving anything. No regard said never. So she now felt like okay, but now it's part of the receive ego. Now happens because we are done them and they get it. Now they equal to tax. She's equal to tax. Can know the thing. We see now. Bonde mmadụ nekwe automatically ịkpọ na gosi that now because you must blackmail government for you to ask them money is a must. There's no way give you upon that for that now government they are trying but I still want to send money to them. No. You play the role of a government. If he name to behold the PM not here. Not at all. He made to be here. He got a nakolego. Nina said the BLA. Go and get recorded that thing. You know why I said that you are the one that recorded it? Because of this your message here.
Simon, Ibo Meladoma. On our Buhari make out of my ass Buhari like Gomeladoma. Now, but don't know I need it. Oh, we went to show Gomeladoma. I may manifestation. Warrior, which I assume enough my banner pushing to that Trump. Which I have water. Simon, Ma Ogo, every water. Blue Mama put up area. Oh, my right. Yes. Because in honor the Kony CI, he a chair of my each high of Mama Vogi. Eba. I don't know, surprise. Meeting now, I didn't know.
Do you understand something now? This is her before if I for me na phone ye me okay PM can never during autopilot for the man set. Now, once she felt like she have come close to you, next is to record your conversation and whatever you are doing. Oh, then why I don't talk about it? That doesn't know. You need to change that one. Let's say, talking. It's the park. Any double email, work. You're a man. Yeah, about talking now. No, her right. Because she always think that she's exercising her right. All that right, the guy for you to penetrating in take care of much and then angel. All that right, he can because of that right in our pursue. He to push away guys the government. Even though they might put anything about government, anything about government governance, but you still want to be in charge. Even in a minute with your rights. That's your right that won't be in many things. And you are still talking about your rights. Even now you are still talking about your right, not right. All what is right guy kid you record the conversation again, every and nande madego. Or potaze publicly. In my way. Hear it again. Watch her body language. Watch her again.
Look on Simon. Ibo melado ma. Ona wu Buhari men ka do ma ya so Buhari like go melado ma. Na obodo nyo any nebi. On we be je na achi obodo melado ma e me manifestation. Wonya ucha isi unu na afuma gba na kwisi Donald Trump.
Okay, we talk about what on this gram also. They are name manifestation. I name manifestation. And I don't understand that grammar. Maybe not French anyway.
Chaye bo water. Simon, ma ogo ebe water. Bulu ima ma go puta haria. Oh my right.
No, her right.
Yes. Because he no no the only isi ayi. He a chaye of ma. He chaye of ma vogi.
And the bogi can get it from recording. Okay, we need again wait for again. No, eba.
Eba.
Yeah, fair.
I don't know surprise. Me
or do you know surprise? Na bit you no megasi. Na back audio. Nanya, due to this, my system had the whole auto suppose my ending part of the video cannot be played. The video is not playing to the end unless if I share screen then. But you want to get about now let's go back to the main video.
Because I don't believe them, they don't believe me. And I saw.
Please, this message, this YouTube name here is my second account. If you have not subscribed, please go down and subscribe. Just type this on YouTube, you will see me. Our second platform, our backup channel, TrueDex_001. You will see that channel, and I expect you to follow us then. Thank you.
Some certain things make me say fugasi. Make me drop some people. Because I don't know what is going on. I hacked my number. I will change the telephone. Change the telephone number. Man, I'm going to answer that now. You never put on all the conversation. Unu jimaka dandi wo otola babu unu nine. Hey, kawu. Dachi kan na gun. Owu na ngozo la beze. Kunu mmadu ugwo. Ahaka my telephone. Neso mo the conversation. Owu na be wopta all the conversation otro babu unu. Phone mu kunu ye neso hari. My conversation kunu amomibu no. Yeah, walk with your I will because one mom have to stupid by doing things like something like that. So imagine what people thank Ubiko. Oh no, well only will idea. We are going to it cost this thing. Because now only is the manana barankata. On one on your zo. On one on your man made that conversation. On one of your man about that person. Ele called the conversation man that person. I just in surprise. All the conversation ni melu. Or not from that side, can you see we be the woputawa? I'm not me for me.
Genius Chooks, I greet you.
But these people wages on that another more I come up, I'm a daughter. Or one who's only yes, someone yes with the son.
What no more you put in a cat or dingy? I can't need daughter. We open a job. Everybody, my open a put in a job. Emeka, I greet you, Emeka, you're welcome. And our own brother Kevin. Kevin, I see you. You're welcome. Benjamin, you're welcome.
The only thing you know is that Kedika Biafra Kaja ni boy see we deserve. The only kata unu ye na no Kedi aja ni bo na why Kediko yes.
Thank you so much, my brother. A very good question. You made a call with one. If open on my call the outside, you use your phone, call number one person, a different person. That conversation was recorded. You called another person, the second person, it was recorded. You called the third person, it was recorded. You cannot do any record. Can you also get recorded and open? You are the one recording with your own phone. With your own phone. You get that number the tap on the conversation. Mananka, 3 different people. Was the first email at the phone apart from when you called people? Especially people that you call, people that has to do with BLN or Biafra movement, everything recorded. Or what the same Goa, the same for you record or conversion between conversion DPM and FMD. Now, but I need the evidence. If they can see that they should help you, Biafra should help you. The only help you we cannot be making use of phone. Okay, no know that because now I don't give them.
Where they said, I'm a worried woman because I'm on what is going on. You know, and even now go. So, on when you fall to Yano, oh, no, no, phone, and I don't hack my phone. Go to man the banana kagonedi, oh, no, cho. Oh, choco to Nime Kunino. Because no, yeah, I be an azo, come and bojaga. If I want to do something, I will do it open. I can't hide it.
No.
Open. Oh, no, Jenna Twitter. You have forgotten the voice, message, discussion. Naju, Ebeka in Neje. What are we doing? USB akono cholo. This kind of USB kono cholo. This kind of USB kono cholo. Oh my God. I'm very sorry. Nena can go. I'm not going to dene. Kunu ni na ulu dene. Unezugo.
Ogwejo, if I see you, someone. You're welcome.
I'm going to leave him my goon.
Why not mango gig?
I done them bonandeg.
I can't record the conversation one. It records an account again as a
cobra. A calose.
But one.
Woman, no tenant could do.
A cobra.
You can't do nothing. Do it to know you ever was 3 on social media. Not on Twitter, on an aquas. Unu jena social even on an so we funu ye medebe ogu. Ogo si now we great woman. Nuku wani kan because I want man nuku why. Why are you following me? Why? Why did you drink banana go caresia? Why did you wear will get menace? Why did you wear will danger for you? Why? Is my question. Hey. an illiterate on that trash. Where problem upon all beyond 1,000 medias you bring out. Still. Ojungafa, Adanenu, Adanana, Adanototo, Adanebi, Adanabani, Adada, everywhere. Emekatakwone baswa kwibo. Nyene makane and members advertisement igbo munuze mwozo. Nke ana atogodu miche. Only 1 point. Nyelo ya 1 goal.
Uche na say you.
Nyoga. Nturu godeje. Onyemeliye Adam mo. What is all this? I challenge you people. Oh, you know what? Put on all the voice. I don't know do many. Not do many. Now could over. Nibe alume. Nankwankwe kwele. Njinjine ji. Hey. Ogiri gada. Kadande mbanande gere mapulo table. Otoro babunu nine. I challenge you people, you evil, all of you, from A to Z, and minus nobody. Bring God to out those rubbish voices out. Kabiafra no, une woptago nkembo. Oju uno, unu wopta nkebo. Oju uno, unu wopta all of them. Owunu no ofreta kata voice agba break. Ogosi no gudi no na agwa their work. Ogosi na dibia ni nunu na je babash. You see. I tell you, before you get this woman, if you get my...
She did not see it coming, like, get record, because she always record people just to hurt you. Any moment you have issue with her. That is what she's doing. That is her own tactics. Who can need reason to record you? But because she already know that she cannot last with people, she keep on recording and keep, record and keep. No record for I told her, if you want to record everything. That there's nothing that I will tell her that I will not say in public. I said, Mom, I know who you are. I know. If you're on the record, go. Also said, now, what's phone yana ring in card go ready? What's okay? What the was at the Chalugo something. Okay, after Chalugo. Now, once you put on a phone yana ring the second phone guard is ready. Hey, nature of evidence, ego. What again? That is what she did and recorded those things, and maybe she want to send the first note in the case room. Or by say the other one of the first note were Salog. For those of you that are still calling her, if you're in conversation with her, be careful. As you are gossiping to her, she's keeping your record. That is what she do for a living, nothing more.
My God,
everyone, blessings to you.
But only what I think, even in a man and he. Why they make this no chinata? I don't know not shine. I can never, or don't possible. Balu no ube. Unu ni na ya abram okpuru table. Unu ni na ya abram ni unu pochi unu. Unu na ano na adam mo na abia unu no also aneme. Because I can never support evil. Never. Mwa wa adam mo I support evil. So umwajan any dream help. Kamana keneka conversation. Muna madimele. So madden muna anabo. Nkembele kodria. Second one ele kodra. Third one ele kodra. Amana mahamene ele kod vaji. Acho mima goes to the mail. Amamo. Because I want na mele kod. I don't know anything about it. So one only send the voice message. One can sing with the voice. Why are you disturbing me for? Go to hell with it. Go to hell. Go to hell with it. If the voice, name the voice, he sent the voice message. Take you see what is the voice. Who sent this voice for you? Or secret? Even I wasn't about what would bed. Me kuzina. Me mechiono. No could over. Na njebingolo wa turn on another channel. Now was the people that I should stop. You go all of you. Hello?
And she said this in Nan as if people will not believe it. Obvious at morning and phone. Come on, hold on.
Anna by she can connect. Na mami bene menda jisinde eje katara be dibia. Dibia ra walk uzi. Na phone mu kaba jezi kaba manu ngwa from manuno. Ama obia baba. Nna m chere go do kam kan connect mkpọ gị. To ụmụnne m nwekwa ibe nji bịa asị m ka mụ na unu kpaa na phone. Chenu kan connect go do this thing. Biko any drin mu erepuo. Eyo ada ndụ mbụ na ndị egede achọrọ m ka mụ na ụmụ Biafra asị na mme wetara unu ikpe a n'unu. Ka unu gwa m ono o si do possible. Owu na ndị agha akịrị nke unu bụ the kind of gọọmenti ngozi ọla bụ gwolo Fulani onye ya wetara unu criminal ya wetara unu Biafra unu ya amazi ka the Biafra.
Okay, if you know then madness in your way. So this thing that she's asking who and how, she's confused, but all concludes going on God's advice. And I want to hear what Obieze will say. Okay, for the mindset, and they go for them. She don't know how the whole thing happened, but she have concluded no on God's advice. Then why do you need help then? Since you are aware that she's the one. In the video, you are asking for help. At the same time, you are telling us who actually committed the offense or who recorded you. You are the one that recorded yourself. Maybe they make it hurt other people. It hurt to say no go badly.
Criminal with the lono yado. Hello? Hello, Naba, you need to work. Na any remain Macao. Bombo. Anna bye.
Good evening from my side.
Nine good evening, no. Any dream, Maka. Oh, ha. Onyano.
I don't know why would they did for I like phone number, I like phone contact, I got Maranda and Alabama. It's among the doctors and the professors and the contact.
Never.
Indeed, the body boy, when he had contact and did the body boy.
Joquava.
It's a I will hear out. I will so I'm going to contact Anna.
Oh, pull on each other. Obvious, not if able. We never could each other. Or the if I got a pip tag. What are you at this year? Now? Egos na everybody na eat jaja, eat go. Everything no. Imepere ọnụ na-ekwu okwu na-eche na they feel. Anyway,
from us.
Can go dey feel as much as.
Jikwana babiko na mobiko.
That phone nta onye angela phone na on WhatsApp phone na
na mo kwa na WhatsApp ka ikpara.
Now WhatsApp, what easy, you got that. I got this. Anything I want to make it, we hit that kind of metal.
Because
together. Yeah, because WhatsApp, you know, I don't know where you record direct or not add somebody. Now that call up or yeah, add somebody can add as many as now WhatsApp call.
Man, no add no mado. Add mado, mama no add mado.
I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do it because when anything is possible with computer together this time around. I'm going to
if you can the wagon on a man if each aka you na na bogging it. If you could no go so get a meet in Pataka. Ebe na de kwa Lasuba ka ke se me wa group call. Upon ya no ya kwa water table group call na WhatsApp. Oh, when anybody record Lasuba, she recorded herself. Mana, you will not understand. If I thought that she's not recording herself, she will not be even saying what she's saying. I'm not okay with them. Okay? Mana, do to go and argue to go.
The phone also, TN speaker, with the phone also, they record their voice.
Man, no one if a boy was Mania. O ye record draw, o ye record no came in bala. Onion causer, the second person man about Pacale record ya. The third person record. I'm a mother never record. Why you going to do? I let them do something. Even kind of way, what would you man? Because now, oh, no record so some came in about Palassin years. Record room came in, young the first person man about record.
Because I want somebody hack your phone. Which means the person that controls your phone.
Oh, you know the problem, which means someone not control my phone.
I had that easy, but I had that easy. Oh, number. I will not bank your body he
Okay.
Sure, I want somebody non I lie. I want them with it. They here non I lie. Don't you know I lie? They will detect the person. They will detect it out, and the Tionia have belong.
D'accord. Don't na buy.
Yeah, and that will be a map on again. Aside, I'm going to put as you know, like a boogie, we hear but again, no.
Yes.
Yeah, won't he put it in a oh, God, he just with a put. We have but apart from that, then I thought like it too much.
Nah, eh. Hey!
DPM school with a they may not trust nobody.
Trust
nobody.
Trust nobody.
Trust nobody. The paragraphs too much. The cholo did again. Because also give one or you would have a penny it. Of course, I always look at where you come out, John, I got something inside the gutter. So, Mana, Uche got there. They got her.
Hey!
Nah,
I don't want shock.
Don't worry,
Hey, you finish here. This program. Get a good dabby. I want to be with actually they change them number completely. Hey,
because of the business, but don't begin to
work me with Roby. So, if I there, what would why you do?
Chop forth from your hand. I will put low down. That is their job. I put low down. Or we are flying at you. Only pull low down more good way your platform. Everybody in a batch of your map, Biafra, we are in it. We need.
Emi na masa so me Biafra. I think so if you never know about Zoma Biafra, please, I just want you to hear the conversation. That's why I did not interrupt. These people are very, very funny. You are busy constantly pulling people down, blackmailing people day in, day out. Okay, even in this problem that you had here, this issue of recording or record or no record and all that, which is actually you don't even verify it. You still don't know, but you have blackmail how many people? You blackmail USB government, you blackmail all the media, you blackmail DPM for what you are not even sure of. Yet, in a Google against it in a blackmail.
We need more people. Don't have just we get now associate on their platform. That is our joy.
Hey, now
They promote Igbo language. That is our joy.
Okay,
Which means very soon everybody can associate.
yes.
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 Igbo now associate Igbo now talking Lala before Igbo. I think we don't want you to speak Igbo here. Speak in the general language that everybody will hear. That is our joy. Everybody promote, platform they promote. We would like it. When only play game, I talk it could do it again. Main your name.
Nah, I do pay.
Okay, very good. How do you suppose this why?
You can open your own and be your own.
Exactly what you're supposed to have asked her. If he name ordinary fundraising. And that months later, after some time, somebody will post from his software. We record of us now. One man, this woman was somebody that now I can't send the leg. On a say go nego, so that you account or winning account when you work and all that. Somebody could not more. Fancha be fan of. Obviously, never know. Na abo we are some on go. That man, hey, nah, but someone might try question.
But it cannot be. It can be like a Hadioram, but you can never be a Hadioram. What is possible? No one. Even no what's an idea. I can approve a Hadioram or you know below a Hadioram.
Or to accord
and our joy. People talking on approve a Hadioram. That is our joy.
Oh, why I will join me. Eje me he lu kwa nya o kwa ko ja wo de futa.
We need competition. Therefore land of competition. I'm and didn't make competition both man and business in everywhere. We need everybody to come. So man I want to give back way back again your name. Don't worry. Don't worry. Behind like
oh be go be already. Don't na. Like
go to email go.
They must say we do so them. They must see we do so them. Oh, what you remember today? What you be social media? So see we are late.
Because Uche when they were experts at the thing. So
yes, then
but at the end we find the solution to it.
Yes. Yes.
But how can make issue cooked?
Nah, I can use a car to go to book because now onwe be mom na ejare na say oh can you na Twitter anu go me here before because I send the money sending me this the voices yesterday or day before yesterday. I called that person. Onwe no udi ma ngoro iji si na mama anya I lay called me. If I was a boy ambazele member ya gini ka na akodiba onwodo kedi ka besi na muwa wonye kwa na phone muwa wonye yoro enyemaka ka enyele ndị mmadụ aka muwa ya bele code for what ejinye eme gini the only thing na agwa mo na device kakwanko which means that na onye na asị na device kanko anuchago many voices ha nwụchara ile ma ife na emenu onye kedu ka isi nweta this voice kedu onye sendiri gị enu because through onye sendiri gị ka esi we trace ebe di okwa agwa m onye sendiri enu ka ezi bi chọ ka m na ọ na-abọ n'ekwu I need to block them because ka mole bi na eme m nusi I block from all of them. I kick all of them out from maybe when they can this kind of thing onye nyere gị Nna ajụgo ajụjụ maka voice isendiri m. Ọ na-akọrọ m ibe ọzọ. Ibe ọjọọ ka m mee admit na m ya enwezi ike. Ọ na-elekọdụ ya because omume ọ na-eme because
if ọjọọ dabụrụ you gain nothing. As long as you are gambling in bad things like that, you will gain nothing. Nobody record any people's conversation like this woman. Just that she's just in your group. Okay, for example, this woman and DPM and FAMD, they were just discussing normal conversation. Isimbo bakwa wemia phone ya. Started recording everything. After when she was bragging to me that she have evidence against DPM, honestly, I was taking her serious. I have said this many times. I'm no conversation on the record. Oh yeah, go make the guy who blue video the franchise the way was. Buya go offend and they will take evidence. I get you release APM. Upon our program the franchise. Oh na chana boy na cho. Kage na afwa ka dig this name. Nezeni ebana. The same obvious that can never this man can never ever condemn anything bad. Never. Check in this video. 1 year ago until now, this man come up why and I'm more the boss on this woman. Because the intimacy, blah, from friendship. On a go which I work in a go. I got in a go. Gafuchi for Joe to Badagan. Can you get this Lasuba for 1 year? You have not seen what this woman represents. That means you are worse than her. There's no way there's no way you be a good person and you follow Lasuba for that long without dictating without seeing what people are talking about. A Confucianist. Gabo kuchokuta tochefo. Sige na yabo wana na yabo why. No nko ka nako. Mana only negi destroy your image.
Mnago yoku the voice o woputala. On atakwa no ntemata. Ana ata no ntemata no. Ibe mo we ba ahun ka nkwe ba ahun ma agwa ka ma agwa gi. Ya record do ibe wona because omume ọ na-eme gosi na ọ na-record ya. Okwu ọ na-ekwu gosi na ọ na-record ya. Yes. Okay, I block all of them, kick you out, all of them out from my phone because how evil. Nam, thank you very much.
I want to record. Somebody go will make something. Something or can use that for anything.
Exactly. Exactly. I won't know from Nanya. Oh, you can you block because I won't know from Nanya. Oh, yeah, what maybe that voice in it. Man, I do it to not or can we can say that I'm why you push back and goes all a base or is a threat? I go to hell. I go to hell. Like I can never promise you autograph threat upon threat that I should stop good night walking goes all a base. This I know one me. And when me came one kit number name was Zoku the Nezoku. Keki says some when me kiss it and my now I challenge them. Find my son to go to hell. Go to hell. Uno mala voice new now who record popular Biafra. Or who know after collaborating. What put on your Biafra and came out?
Only they you could that. You can't suspect now one of the voice. They will be the man. It got to look. That is a home. So, open it truly. It can't it suggests. If Ogo could replace but didn't get it. Make I don't go that side because now Lasuba, you just a play. You just a play. Okay, careful now. If Oja not they play. Today, all give me this video, in a 4 hours. Na boy, na ba, na boy, na ba. Kita na. Also 20 minutes, 20 minutes if you another program. She just also gone from minutes 1 to 3-4 hours. Regarding the South Chatterback, because of Google Fulani, Kitana, they could be a 1 hour, just 1 hour. You cannot run one hour program anymore because now all make a job for work. Oh, make a job for work. It's what we shall see.
Caterpillar. Oh, Caterpillar, since the call the quote, what would even we
Go about the first person who could EG something against DPM now. You are the one that started it. Until now, nothing. Until now, nothing. Oh, you are not alone, Sha. We'll go to first of all also said his own. And I keep on according.
Oh, nah, thank you. No. Okay, whatever, madam. Yeah, what tell on Biafra.
I know, but I could see the Pumas and up outside. I could see Pumas. If I get a public boy, you gotta be to know, but don't know. You know, when the bone and I know, I get Biafra. On a me here,
on a me,
on a
me.
You know, nobody going up there. They're very proud. I know. Within that November time, see it. You know, I think I'll catch you. Don't happen with the seek.
No, thank you. I'm a second for Umuamosu. Etowala akpa ndị a na-ekwu dara ibi akọba nnebe. Ndị ha nọkwa no condition. Nke a wụzi threat. Ọwụ na-ekwụsịghị ikwu maka ngozi ala bụ eze. Ebupụta ibe dị gwupụtara unu ebupụta avancha. Shame on you people.
Yeah, Pasio. She's just saying this as if to make her little gang group to feel like, oh, what she's doing is she's actually doing the right thing. We'll go threat this woman. If you don't bring it here, we'll do this. It's a lie. It's a lie. No time again. Yeah, but this is the response of the person will tell you. Nobody. Who could somebody put that threat to this woman? If you don't bring all those things down, we are going to release audio. The one they release it, did they threaten you before they release it? That audio was everywhere. I received it. That audio. Everyone they send their account, send that. Somebody send it to me. The reason why I did not play it that time because I made it clear that anything has to do with BLA security, any security people that I don't focus on that. I receive it. You know, a lot of people used it. People was like, but I intentionally ignored it because I know that the person that recorded it is this woman. The person that is crying out is this woman. The person that is blackmailing other people about it is this woman. All kwayawa. G5 nacho. Thank you, Quentin.
Oh, shame. Even I'm for a call a put you in Rotobo Purine. Alone now.
Okay, you talk about you can
You are a great. before I'm not professor here.
Yes, then.
I beg you, no professor here. This of Tabo Uma now to Sassi, then I give us to Angelina Marine. I say how much case I control, how much case I the thing. And I get them kissing the area of the Simon of the time. Here, all of them, the or the Hasona. That is by the way. Ada, I want to add more than that. More issue.
Okay, when cast the anegi that someone the hello we and before you know we accept before you fear you will begin make that's why you cannot even on your camera. I'm not saying you should on camera and broadcast you, but since you are good at commenting and lying and promoting negativity, why are you not proud enough to come out and say no? It's not a threat, but at least for reference to know that no one ever can you go, but you hide. All of you are marks, lying. The annoying part is that to you, US government is there for them metia. Ogi gara them metia. Madam bade, mama bade metia. Oye metia na ada. Adabo gaba gade. Now what? Can Ada move forward? No. Can she go backward? No. Can she even be calm in one place? No. Oye Prime Minister liar will say that remain where you are. Makifo. Legend.
More G voice okwu na mmadụ ịma na ihe onye nwa mere wu join conversation ọ adịrị some people na ogene a na-abụ me na oche me
ya na m ege gị ntị yes
but ọ bụrụ ya ka iji jee atụ ụjọ sọbụ ihe na-atụ m egwu nke iri n'ọnụ ihe na-atụ m egwu ihe akịta nwanne nwoke from America kwuru site ebe imesia program gị kpọọ ya ka onye bipụta sọpọt ga-echek ndị lụrụ atụ dị mana onweghị kọmputa enweghị ike ime na
yes
onweghị kọmputa nwere ike ime na ya ya joint call ọ bụ sọ gị na onye anwa na-akpa nkata ahụ mgbe ahụ ya na-agwa ya okwu ahụ
mana ọnwụ na adịa many people o nwere ife genu ntị ka ụnụ ghọta ebe nsi abịa ọnwụ na adịa many people na nke m na ya kpa
ị kwesịrị ịgba na joint communication kwa
no gee ntị ka ịghọta ife m na-ekwu ọnọdụkịta mkpọ gị mụ na gị na-aba ekwu okwu kwụsịa I call tụọ nsị gị bye sị m bye I call all the communication jewalụ now I call another person nke a mụ na gị na-abụ kpara elekọdụrụ ya I say bye o then now I call another person then onye nke ahụ m kpọkwara elekọdụkwara conversation mụ na that person after ka mụ na onye nke ahụ kpachara nsị ya bye then I call another person elekọdụkwa nke ahụ mụ na onye ahụ kpakọkwara ebe a wee bosi wee dụrụ supplies amanụ mbọ never si nweta dị ka amanụ I don't know ibe ma that esendiri m voice mmadụ na ya o ebe esendigoluru m conversation mụ na mmadụ na-abụ abịa sendiele m conversation mụ na mmadụ na-abụ mana conversation nke Emeka Ghana enwetọrọ m ya afụrọ m ko nke nkata m na Emeka Ghana kpara elekọdụ ya mana nke elekọdụ zu the other person olesikwa na-ewele nke Emeka Ghana afụbe m nke Emeka Ghana
nobody can bring you down. Ọ ka bụ ihe gbasara ihe gị na ndị a ịkpọ na fon maka ihe Emeka Ghana kọrọ
ama m okeba ji ibe ba mụpụtagodo nke m na Emeka Ghana akpala ibe gbasara ego sụkwa ego asụ enyekwa ego enye
hapụ ndị a niile Even when somebody say America welcome, but I can't make all that because so about either last month. Mom, no, it's nobody. I possibly be here. I call back a down. Oh, more, I got the offer. If the guy got 40%, you got to one of us, so one of us, so
Ọkwa nwanyị.
Okay. Hapụ nke afọ ọhụrụ nwaanyị ka nwoke dị mkpa ọ kpọrọ mụ ịghọtago.
If you listen to that conversation, nke nwaanyị nọ n'ime so that the conversation, I was very angry with that woman. Okawka just recently, matters a little bit about that person. I laughed. I just laughed off. But then, because that lady was eager to do anything for this woman, in that conversation, this one, if this one tell that person to drop, let's say 3 mil or 5 mil, okay, yeah, Shapali. If on a job, also hey, that time I was this one I see that now on echo. Ndo Jababe Mega Ghana and that lady. But I know go further. I will drop the link for those of you that want to comment because this is later. I wouldn't want us to waste much time. So if you join us, you make a comment and you check out, then other people will come because I've not subscribed. So we can only manage 6 people in the room at a time. So if not, we will continue playing it and enjoying ourselves with that her gossip with Obese. There's another man, not this one, that was very, very insulting. I think that man, he always against anything that I say until I give him his own portion of food. Since then, I have not heard anything from him. I don't know your mama or not around. I don't know. That man was like, he's one that trying to insult and lay kind of wishing his relatives bad, but I pack that and give it back to him because when it's very deadly, that man. Hey, this man package and don't just do worry about you. Forget it.
So at the time, I said, okay, because you only one of my people from here. Because one of my dead voice is somebody again. But ihe a na-akọ na-adị iche na ihe nwa na-akọ nke na mmadụ si ebe ka kpọm adụmguru niile rekọdụ ndị mmadụ ọzọ nwe ihe nji eme ihe ọ na mmeta ihe mmeta ihe ngatụ
ndị disuman rekọdụ hold on
nobody will go for me
ka efi na-erekọdụ mmadụ were ife ji eme. This woman goes have her own area of specialization to record people. You don't understand. And say again, first time they go now me agwa. And I want to say if you like it. Also no, I'm banned. Na yada a record and see okay. It's a record, the record. If that time do the record and had the better, imagine matter on the record had the better rampart. Mana go for one awkward day that time. What goes to go?
Because no banu na ukwa na pe kola de
here. So when them be strong. Or
please, if you have not liked the video, like the video. Only 67 people can click on like button. Our target is 100 people. Like the video.
Just in circle of drop. Or one day we can see America pocket. Just check it for ya. Then I know go on. I am a Yeah, was you understand?
Yes.
I've received call back at the other one. You want to tell them,
Yes.
you could see the week. Yeah, I'll be easy, but I can't go there.
Hey.
Can drop or the time can do over.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, now by because ulone no dinka. Ulone neba because Adam.
Hello,
Good morning, good morning.
Thank you.
Chimnanolo.
O nwere ife nchọ ka m gwa ya na ife a na-ekwu kịta. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ na-alụ n'ọfịs, ọ bụrụ mmadụ na-alụ ọrụ, ọ bụrụ Chineke nna, ọ fịara arụ as far as na ego dị concern. Isi mmadụ biko na ịchọ rekọdụ onye dị etu a. Ife a nna anyị na-ekwu kịta, ọ dị na rekọdụ ebe anyị na-akpị ya kịta afụ. Nya n'ọfịs ebe anwa ndị nwe NTN ma ndị nwe nke a ma ndị nwe nke a ọ dị gbadoro ya ama meghọta etu ihe esite na bankị safanye bank statement ị na-anụ ịchọ ka enye ya ọsịsọ ọ bụrụ na onwe nwanne ya na-alụ ebe o print tee ya out so mụnwa filu na-eprint ife out mana onye na-eprint ya out izuru ori o nwere ife ọbụla ime so mụnwa filu na fa na-ewesi their time
I challenge them to bring all the conversation about record out.
Ife ya na-aza bụ azụ anụ nya fa wepụta ya rinne ọ bụ mma akpọ dị man fa wepụta ya fa ncha niile.
I challenge them to bring everything out. And the shame on you people. No one know what the voices. Challenge. He's saying no, yeah. Also, some condition that I should stop talking. If I get it in me, apụta ada onye mee nke ada ije na ada Simon Ekpa ada ije na Kai ada ije na fancha niile nkene nna nwa ada na mgbede anụ okwu monu ka emesịara ka fachalisi ndị ekwensu ndị ụchụ ndị alụ jemere ife ị na-eme nne nwere bụla azụ anụ ụka na-aza azụ anụ ụka fakwụsị efe anụrụ ọ mmadụ na-alụ n'ọfịs ife ọbụla ịchọ ọ bụrụ na ndị ori ije achakata nnọọ ibe eje tagiwa mara ibe kpere na-eji esi wee lere izi awari de maazị Nnamdị mara nketa na-akpa n'isi ọhụrụ iri grade onye nọ na trash
ịbịa n'afa gị ife niile ị na-ekwu ọ dị on record ife niile ị na-ekwu ọ dị on record ke adaji anya report na onye ame ife na onye ame nke a mmadụ na-alụ ebe ahụ nwanne ya nwere ike isi ya biko wetagolu m voice onye ama ya natara ọ dị very simple very very simple ebe a na-enweta bank statement ọ bụzi alụ recording of phone ihe rekọdụ ọ bụzi alụ ọfịs so mmadụ na-alụ ebe a jọ biko onye ka nchọ ka mma amụ anya mechie na m akpọ ka nsị gị bụla azụ anụ ụka ala gbagbusie mfa mara ndị Igbo bụ amara na isi ike ọ na-abụ anọkọta anụmasị na ndị gụrụ akwụkwọ adịrị ama ife take it from me bịabụziala onye Fulani ebe ka amamife enweghị esi nwa m nya onwe nwa m na ya bi ọ ya eme 17 mana nke nwa m ya adị 9 ma nwa m maka ligwe ife chọọ izi ozi n'ụlọ wee pụwa mkpọ nwa m sị mekeshọn na-eme ife dị etu a izie nke ọzọ dị ka ọkọlụbi n'ihe chefuo ya
ọkwe na afọ na-akọ ife akịta wee nwa grandpapa ịma oge disma bidoro ikwu okwu na ọ ga-abụ na ya bụ anụ ọfịa ngwa gị maka bifo ọ ga-abụ dise ụkpana ị na-anụ kịta na uwe nwa nwa this man kịta wee nwa nwa ị na-agwa ya kwuwe ya mere gawa na ọ na-agba na ife niile ọ na-ekwu na rekọd wajana na ome nke ọzọ ọkwa ya ha fa
It's na mụnwa ya wee great woman the whole world ụwa niile amụ maka na-ekwu maka na-esekpuru m na-asọpụrụ m na m ya nọ n'elu kacha enu nọ ife ịfụrụ mụ na Carolina Mbeze ya na ihe efe anyị ka Chukwu na ya na ngụnwa na onwe gosizi na ndị anọzi n'elu kacha enu na jeje na social media kparị m ebe na amụma ga-awụ ọkụ na-asị ka ọwụ.
Thank God that myself which you hotel.
Onwe kwa m jisi na nna be anyị onwe ọnwụ na asị na m amaghị onye wụ ọ dị iche awụ na masị gị na mụ na gị na-abịa ekwu ọ dị iche mana ibe isi m na m maga ọfụma isi na m maga ọfụma sị gị na amakwa m ọfụma
because you know me very well. Okay, mama ma gbuo gị ama. I'm not going to
oh yeah. So nna so ndị a na-eje na nwa na-ebe dibịa ma ọ dịka ọ na njebe dibịa kịta amara m dibịa ahụ ọfụma maka na ọ gbara m afọ ma ewere mmadụ onye ọfụma.
Which I've never listened to. The point is that after Finland convention, this one has been bombarding me with all manner of messages from God I don't know. First of
all, the careful, if I take if I careful, outcome of that gasike me ebe ka ọ na-agwa pastor na chenis na ya ga-abụ ntumagbule yi one of ndị okwu ọzọ eme ọzọ ọ gịnị na-emezi Ikenna, you have the mic, my dear. You're welcome. Let's hear from you. Amam kisu eno ye. Omo your mic, Ikenna.
Oh, the guy, my brother.
I greet you.
Good evening, okay, Kaime.
Chineke no no rosa.
Okay, kwa na ekakuchi na pia nwanyị azụ.
Na nke ichidela anyị tata nnọọ.
Dakwa ga uzu da gazu efe enye ho dia.
Imenele ya.
Na aga mu since now so agbata m gba wee dezie note na ọ bụ obere ihe.
You're welcome.
Na mba abụ m ihe niile ka ịma na ihe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme ajụjụ ọbụla mmadụ na-eme ọya akụ ya n'azụ so n'ọnya na-eme nwaanyị ama ihe niile ọ na-eme ha na na-akpa nka na-ekwu okwu na-elekọt ọnya bịakwutere kịta ọ na-agba ya ọka ọfụ ka o si adị na dịka ọdọ nke ha na mmadụ wepụta were create content so nwaanyị a ọ na-ekwugharịzi alaki nke abalị aba wee eche nọọsụ na ọha n'ihe mana nke abalị ahụ okwute na ọ na-eme wee o jezuru ya ahụ ya ka o ji achọ ebe ọ ya ebido aka maazị ebe ọ ya ebido aka ọ na-ebe ndị that man that obi eze ka nwoke a ma mebe nwoke a si agadi sef
na that your friend iji agwụrụ mmadụ
ya abụkwa afọ Igbo dị ya adị ya otosa epush ọ bụrụ pm ọsị push me ọ na-epush me nwaanyị na-anwụnye anya nwaanyị tọbụrụla na obu itekwu ya si ya nwaanyị bigote na ịpụ gị n'azụ ọ ya efu na-eme nwoke a ma m aghọta m ihe ha na nwoke ahụ ji
ọ chọrọ ime mmiri na Lasuba
ọfụma na edishọn na ha alụ na-alụ
ọ dị nke ọbọs ka ọ na-adụ ya
ọ ya chọpụta bikọz ọ ihe m fụrụ na-eme bikọz na o nwere ihe nwoke a ji ihe ha na-agba ji oji wee kwechiri na
Always on again from him.
o nwere ihe ọ na-enweta ọfụma o nwere ihe nweta n'ebe ọ nọ o ji mgbe ọbụla akụtuo ya otu ọtọbiri na ọkwa itekwe ya si ya nwaanyị jebe minus that ịgbara na nwaanyị adakpuola sisi
Why bidoro ime 4 hours? O bidoro ime 4 hours o megide 4 hours na gbadode to 3 hours 1 hour na ọzụkwe o mewo to 10 minutes bụ na another one ozu gị na na-egbu mmadụ ife dị oke ka ndị otu agakwa bụ ya ga-amụ ya ga-akwa ya sakwara kọtinu na ike agụ n'ọnwa mgbe
ọ na-agazi n'aja na etitọrọ igwe na onwe ezi aja ka ọ na-agazi
ọ na-awada dị ego ọ bụ ma ngada
ya nnụ ha nọkwa ebe a ndị otie na ebe a na-awa ọchịkwa emechawa na-ejekwa ha ozugbo
ọpụtakịta na laki ị na-efe iche na skrin na efu na ọ sị na ya renovate bịa mana ọ ga-agoche mechin oji so na wee na-akpọ ka report na ndị ka ife ọsọ ka one were one use na isi na ya gbago ọsọ na social media n'ọrụ ka ya na-arụsị na mbụ ya o chefuo na ọ na-abrag a few weeks ago na ya wee visitors na bịa na ya ka ya wee ọkwa asị of ikwu na ya na-arụ na ya na-epent ụnụ ya ọ sị na ọ na-atụ asị na-ewere mmiri
nwaanyị ihe nwaanyị ọ pụtachabeghị na ọka obere oge na nkịta ka ndị anyị lepụtara na alụ ị na-ahụ na ọ pụtara gozi kịta
akwụkwọ mis aka na amatabeghị ya mata ị ka na-agụ ya gwa mgbe
ọnya nọ ihe ma bụ na etere ugbo etere azụ o nweghị ajọ ihe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme ya tụpụtara onye afọ one day ofu mbọsị otu ọ na-apụta agụ oho ọkwa ọ na-akpube na ọ ndị na-alụkọta kịta ọha anụkọtasị ya nwaanyị bịa ọ dịka na kezi ya na-akpọbịa ya asị ya adanne ka asị n'ọdị takwa ọ dịka ndị
prọfesọ ndị mbụ na ndị egede ife na-atọ na mbụ ụtọ na si tụfuo onu n'akụkụ si na-aba
oge abara na onye kwude ngozi ọrọbeze gbolo fulani ọrọbeze gbolo complete 4 hours nwaanyị aka nọ na ya na-ala ntị
Lasuba be a good entertainer na kama no ịgata eke ife ọ na-ekwu serious ma na ịchọrọ ikolo ọ ya na kpọọ onye atụmọrọ ogwe ya sị ada ife ikwu ya eze kogodi again asị gị na echetezikwa na ọwụcha mmanya ọwụcha mmanya tupu ụgwọ na-akọ eri ebe ọ nọgị na wiski na-eme gị broadcast
ada eziokwu ịbụ onye ọkọrọ ebe ọ sị na voice ewepụtara agbabeghị na maka ha wepụta maka ha ka debere ha ewepụta na nwere nke awụ na ebe ọ na-eme nke ọsị na ọga si wepụtakwuo efuru ya
ka ngwa gị ma ịma obeze kpụọ ya ka na obeze mara ife na dị ụmụ ka ndị a niile nọ na platform ndị ọgwa gị na ya wee bren fọ ndị a na-efolo ya ọ kafa mara ife because ọ sị gị ife o ji wekwu na ya na-achalenji gị achalenji ndị ha akịrị ya ndị na-ekwu na faji ọdọ ya gị ga-wepụta fancha na ya na-achalenji she just want to know the level of voice message information I able to from phone, yeah. You gotta go because she's actually scared. She's
yes
scared.
maka na ọ ka nkụ
I'm on the phone, the off camera. I got the work to go to for say, and I sued. In my phone, by you sued.
na why not
Yes.
Eh,
Give me a
ọ dịkwa ebe ahụ ọ dị na ọ ma na ọ dị ebe ahụ ọ ma na ọ dị na na ya.
If you not only make camera that again, I just money.
ọ dị because na ịma na ikwu okwu agba
ọ na ọ dịrọ ọma sọje ọma mgbatị ya n'obi
cha 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 yes
for ya iji aka wee kwupụta gosi gị na ọ dị
ọ dị yes because ọ bụrụ na onye dị otu ha adịghị n'echiche maọbụ na ọ dịghị atụ o nwere mgbe ya adịra n'obi atọ mana luto na ọma na ihe dị otu anọ dị ya na o ji wee anyị atụpụta ya ọ ya sị na ndị enwetachara ihe niile na-efe enye ha ọ na-aṅa ntị na ka ewu ebu na balo na-aṅazi ntị ka ọ mazi ihe ọzọ ahụ ewepụta ịmazi na ewepụta final one ọnya nụnụ efe enye ha mgbe onye ahụ etigo final anyị na-echikwa na mmara sisi ama tee na nsị ọdịkata nụakwa onye na nsị takwana
ọ bụ na onye ọzọ ọ bụ na another person pụtara na wee buru aka o ji ehi penti wee bute machine o ji alụ ọrụ na biya arịnọvet ya n'aka ya without ịhaya professionals ha Lasuba gwachacha gị okwu mana kịta na o mere na isi of onye ma ọka asị na ọ dị mana is encouraging because mmadụ ji abụrụ ofu onye gwara amarogo I'm just not happy. Achọbọdụ m ikwu maka na ọ na mba na-agba m afọ na the video so I have to react to one ya udo dị my brother
nwanne mmadụ jisie n'ike ka na ya asị m Chineke Chukwu oke abịa anya dube gị na-atara ya ọfụma ya arụcha ọrụ anya niile
ị ka ga-ese ndị ife iweta from n'ụlọ na
nsogbu adịghị mba nọ anyị ji nwayọ ekwu ya anyị ji nwayọ ekwu ya ịgbabara ihe gbachakwa
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mazika, ndewo.
Ndewo, ọ dị ka okwu gị nọ ofu nọ inside, ofu nọ outside.
That is it. Anyị mekwana anya.
So,
okay, ngwa ka m obere ka m bata biko.
From kiss we ekwu okwu, tuze kpọm ka report n'ike ama m na ogo so nọ.
Yeah. Just obere ka m bata. Just out on my background, yeah. Thank you.
Udod.
Na-ada ndị mgbe amara akwụkwọ mana ya makarịsị ife ncha niile ife biko nne na-azụ anụ ụka echedo m okwu ka iji ife abụọ dị okwu fa jebe ọbụla ego kafa na-espend fa spend ba ọbụla time kafa na-ewest fa west ba
grandpapa nna like onye akịta nwa ya amụgo nwa onye na-ekwukwu na nakwa ege ntị ka ịma na asị gị na ekwere m ife before asị gị na oge ya danụ n'ewu amụ n'ọgbere kịta bụzi ewu sef na nụkwụ n'ọgbere sef ndị oge aga mayo tọrụ da ewu gaa n'ọgbere mazi ya n'ọgbere ka ọmụ nwa n'ọgbere ọdụ oge ya na-enwe kịta onye grandfather maka ife na-agwa gị ife adị masị gị na ọmụ na nwa na nwa ya mụkwa na nke ya na-ekwu udo okwu a
achọ ka ime intimidate achọkwa ọmụmụkwa ife ọzọ ihe ewepụta maka ngozi nke a gasị na ọ gbafagharị ịfụrụ ọrụ echi bụ Satọde ịfụrụ na ha pụtara wee kọọ echede nke ha pụtara biko nne jee lara ụlọ onwe ya ụla na onwere ihe na-eme odechi fa sọpụgharịba ife na-ada eme ha onye ilu na nke asị na humble lion ada ijebe nwa ada ifela na-eme kpọfa nwaanyị isi ọcha na France fa amakwa mgbe iji wee ife
isi ọ na-adịrị ọcha ka ife ewu ga na-akọ eri isi ọma agbalịa penti isi ọ na-adịrị ọcha na-ekwe na problem
mmeli ya bụ na fa ghọtarọ na a na-enwe obodo enwe na Chukwu na-enye onyinye n'ụdị n'ụdị ife a bụ onyinye nke gị ka enye gị and ife a bụ just God na ndị mbụ na ndị egede wepụtara gị na ife akwụkwọ na ebe ọbụla Simon ịkpa na-eje ọ na-akpọ gị ọ na-ala ike ka ị nọ n'akụkụ ọ ma na o nwere ife ịma anụ ya na-amara
ka ebe oke nke a biko nụ ebe bụ na Samegba na ọ na like ịkpa dada God, like maka ife na man like ịkpọ mmadụ ga mmemme okay ka m cheta gị ngwazi gị oge Simon ga na nke the damages ọ ga with Ada the answer is no. Oge ọ ga na nke Matanga Dr. David Matanga ọkpada wee ga the answer is no. Okay na afọ ya na ebe abụgodo ebe ndị nke mma ga-echetewu na ọ bụla ị gawa ebe bara uru ị ga-akpa Ada ka gị na-eme ka o mere gị gịnị ebe afọ these people. Then my anger n'ife no dịka this man nkịta bụ na okenye mmadụ like grandpapa na-akọ ife a na wow.
na onye na-print ya out izuru ori o nwere ife ọbụla ime so mụ feel
We need this thing need to stop. That's why you bring out your money to support the movement. That's why you bring out your
Then I can connect here back because Ode emenanka malome patayan. Oy. Ọmụ na o nwere onye ọlụ nọ hie biko ọ na-eke unu gwa ihe na-eme n'ọlụ ka eke unu si nọrọ biko na ụmụnne m
ka ọ gbasịrị ka m gwazie gị na ka anyị nụgodo from you from another side maybe not all the guy ga-aka the man first.
Henry America where the meeting with all the high class members let's watch this video. That is for that day to the natural. Where's the meeting with because for everything, over to be a suffer before, refuse is just a man. I want to imagine that when they would like POB. They know you would like POB. People would like POB. But once we get comfortable with my wazoo, or you go with my wazoo, they go in with your wazoo. They check the wazoo to IPOB. This coward, where they saw that at this big, I challenge to another man.
You suffocate them. A town different from that.
But what I hear, do you see how cowards some people used to be? Think, use your brain. You're doing something with the most intelligent people in this world. Don't focus on one thing, just a name. A country that changes their name. A country. Almost a country changes their name. Ghana changes their name. Ghana won't get a command as a book before. Ghana was in the whole world. No, who's the common name? My sisters and brothers. Come on. Everybody see what they're there for. That is the now never went around. That means the breaking. That means they start breaking. Oh, there is go. Oh my God. Just enter inside him. Oh, I want to know you know what. I will enter inside him. Where my own bread, hear my clear that's not very ready to tackle in this world. With the 1 second, nobody will think about it. It's also true. What is going on?
Political or the political game. Political or the political game.
No, this is an amount of sleep.
That we do. So I believe we see how powerful
With the 1 second.
that they will not fall to support the terrorist community, because if they do, that means they don't practice what they preach. And you know how the system works. Remember America, Maradona as well. They know how to play the political game.
Maybe I can play that very.
It's a lie. That we do. So please, we see how powerful coming from Washington DC, and I also want to use this opportunity to let the Alpha know that very soon we have a more serious meeting and engagement. I will be having Washington.
How we receive the again. Lies every day. How many minutes wait to go and watch this? Can you open it? Now you to describe it for how many years? Since this year, even the mom I thought they were on it, now watching this. Trying to this. Mama! Jesus is love. Trying to this, Mama. It's not everything we do on social media. We don't even care. The only thing we do is action. How can he do not be confident that he needs to meet the Washington DC and submit every time? Your life is not a seat. The only one community, only one town, or people town, they will over 50 hours. Caterpillar, washing the check the man. I want particularly for all these governors and senators. That man in the life of religion of Antigua, you die from care. You die from care. What a useless man. Call out, bring it out, and I know. But I was social media went on yesterday night. I just to watch this man. Oh, I went with the wine, guy. Even the ladies now, war soldier, we need so now bad than before. Let's be poor and breathe. Don't suffocate them. Because when I was fake idiot. Somebody do useless in life. Any borrow, Mwajani Bokono, Mwajani America, atrocity of committed in America. Now, life would destroy in America. Now, therefore, that's what I useless. The courts over here. The president is now watching this useless time. Photo. Not be juju be that. Hey, Jesus Christ. Somebody asked, they buying. So you know this.
Yes, in white way. I am back.
Because you want to democracy. You want to this is my new system. I just sit back and before.
You be mumu.
He doesn't know that they block them. Organism. Eventually, that when you if I went to you see, they block them as me. You had to win the because of Sunday information. You say, okay, block me back. That block.
You're welcome, welcome.
It's a lie. Why you going to talk like that?
But I'm my own, the monk will be an Igbo now. Ajani will KKC will save this land. Because he is safe good to this land. Humanitarian distance. We are right. I am right to open humanitarian aid.
You decrease? Why you going to talk like that?
To help people Ndibo and they go all over the world, man, especially in the
It's a lie.
I'm willing to register humanitarian to help our people. Hence, all the register. I will write a contribution to help our people at home. All over the world. Humanitarian. Hence, all the register. Because people got tired. We're going to get for freedom now. Yeah, in the day for freedom, your man is go out there. We want the freedom, they make you a jail. Nobody can answer to go down. Where's all to be as Anna Zotana, where's all you to be as in a book of freedom, your land is going there about freedom. I'm not there for freedom again.
This is plain. If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his thighs.
When people are capable to freedom, I join Alpha for now. Or not join for this freedom again. Or they are all fake.
I beg, spot in the investment. Who do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Speak before their friends will learn.
As a media personnel, if you are working in the interest of Biafra, all you need to do is to share that message from Angel Makeup and make it go viral to create awareness. You don't talk like a drunkard, insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the medias communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against Mazin Namikanu's order, and against our PM's order for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government.
Come and sit down there. Sit down.
You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care.
Make a mother block your mouth there.
I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Britain.
Ngozi Olabeze sign our declaration. Ngozi Olabeze didn't sign a declaration paper.
Shut up, yeah.
Ngozi Olabeze man say, Yawo Putia, agent the copy.
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time? I don't know. You don't know.
I go say I best signature. She didn't sign. Almost 1 year hand, that is the signature.
Rich watch and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea. He went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Oh, Mumu not too much.
Too much,
Oh, Mumu not too much. Tam David went she daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea.
Muwa, 1 year Androdiano, Andy, Kedafiano, Abramun Bogan Kelebia sign, no?
What?
Jesus!
Ama Munduna that's all. Side of that declaration, Malanda sign a yano.
God should descend, oh, today God will descend.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
I
beg you, I beg you, I don't.
I declaration or declare or sign a ya.
It's a lie.
Or sign of ya at all. It's your signature, ya. Ngozi Olabeze didn't sign anything.
Shut up, you know if you do.
I'm out from it. Anything saga. I'm out from it. Can we keep ourselves? Because that saga and Abba didn't name me and didn't name Pope. I don't know walk with Abatobia. No, now walk with and that because they walk with Abatobia. Okay, can I walk with Abatobia? They know us. Do you need a social media name may affect? Then that I will stop. Which is number one, I want to stop. Was the way to meet that time. Can you open up that auto saga continue? Because I feel that the police will be over to be enough. They are all on which to come back to be important so that all continue damage.
You don't talk like a drunkard, insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the media communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against Mazin Namikanu's order, and against our PM's order for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government. So if you are doing that already, you are disobeying the government and you must desist from that. You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care. I am giving you a sound of warning.
Chai.
Desist from that
Chai.
nonsense and stop
There is
insulting
God,
the authority in Brigi.
There is
If you
God,
like to insult another person,
the
but this
blood we are
Brigi
sharing,
is
there
what you
is
belong.
God,
If you don't belong to
there
Brigi,
is
and you
God,
say, oh yeah,
there is
money is not all
God,
we need.
there
If
is
money is not all we need, no
God,
problem. We need other
there
angels, and
is
that is the angel that
God.
the angel Jacob have released. Instead of making noise and insulting people out of whatever influence, I don't know, you should get busy and share the message of angel Jacob for Biafrans to beware. That is coming from the government. That's what you hear. Not to think that by making noise you are making sense. You are just making noise. You are not making sense. So please advise yourself further and desist from such reckless behavior.
Something way part for this.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed. We
They say
will
our
not
Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too
condone
much.
such
You be Mumu, you
nonsense
call other people
going
Mumu.
forward.
They never show you say you be
Communicating
Mumu.
with men on ground
Nigeria is not
it
for
is
the
abominable, it is
Nigeria
treason.
is not for Charlie Boy.
Communicating, you as a media
Nigeria is not for
personnel,
good luck Jonathan.
communicating with
Nigeria
men
is
on
not
ground,
for
it is
Alhaji
treasonable,
Mujahid
it is an
Dokbasara
error,
Obiaba.
and
It's
if you
not
are
for
found to be
us.
doing that, you will be
The
sentenced by the
earlier we
government.
realize this,
So
the
beware
earlier every
and stay
one of
clear
you
from men
realize
on
this, the
ground.
better
If
it will be
men
for us.
on ground,
That
if the
Nigeria
authority is
is
coming
not
from
for
the
us.
defense headquarters, all you need to do is
How
share
many
the
times
message.
would they tell you
Don't go
before you
about
know that Nigeria is
constituting
not for you?
nuisance, creating panic,
Charlie
where there
Boy,
is no panic,
good luck
and
Jonathan.
talking from left,
He
right,
want
and
to be
center,
America, we
insulting
know. Who is
everybody
America?
in the name of
Don't
trying
be
to make
small
sense,
North Korea,
whereas you are
they
not making
not
any
America,
sense
yeah. Not America,
whatsoever.
yeah. What America don't do,
Stop and
America will
stop
know.
and stop.
Instead of you to do
To
something
be
for people,
forewarned, I
they build a
repeat,
magic
is to
school
be
with our money.
forearmed. We are in a very critical situation, and if you want to solve this
You
problem,
want to
is it by
please
making such
others and
noise?
displease us and
If you
displease
really
yourself.
mean well and you
No,
have the
they never
interest of
leave.
Biafra in an
They
interest
have
of the
left
people at
you
heart, by making such noise and insulting with such way,
God no
is
make
that how you will
mistake
resolve
when
the
he
problem?
create me John man.
And you say
He
money
did
is not
not
what we
make
need. What do we
any
need?
mistake.
By you making noise,
Now
and by
God
somebody
now
else
make me
from the
John man.
cabinet coming to talk, is he going to create more
Because
pencil?
the earlier you learn to be who you
Or more
are, the better
instrument
it will
to
be for you.
combat the enemies.
Man know thyself. You don't know
Now,
yourself.
to get all the rulers and all the needed items to combat the enemies.
Somebody
Is it
has been
noise?
away for
Is it not
94
money?
days.
And if you cannot,
Post president, this
excuse me,
photo
support
president.
with
Nigeria
the
president now
finance, and you
photo.
are discouraging
Everybody go
Biafrans
post now
from
photo
going
with
to
that.
support
So
when
they
they
say
go
our
to.
president they send photo
Do you
with
think
the
what you are
Bijan
doing
from
will help?
Bijan from Kansas.
So Biafrans are
They send photo with the Rogers. They send photo with this one. Now president now photo on a vote. Your president is now a picture. Photo. Not be juju be that.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Mumu man. Sorry, but we hope another defeat day.
Okay, Worship Master, let's hear from you. Sorry for keeping you.
No, my brother, they were everything they know the one. Mas guy, they were in.
There were.
I greet our own great genuine Biafrans. I greet each and every one of us. I couldn't buy your time zone.
There were.
Yes, so modern program email one I am on such a porch. Cause bebe akwa, cause warrior. Amamunka where umana. It is well. It is well. I will start with
Are you not
the
going to
person that
Lasuba, my brother?
one day.
But that's not possible now.
Oh, the time have passed for that anyway. Onwebu mgbe ihe na-eketazi bụ ọ na-eme onye ọ na-achị ọchị for me ana m afụta ya asị onye complete onye ala gba ọtọ ọ ka m si afụ ya apart from her sabotage. So my concern abụghị nwoke onye ahụ kpọrọ ya oku ịma before it was when you say that he's a man I come to realize I thought it was a woman. I was talking with her until you called him a man, but I didn't know how you verify a man or because the voice sounds so feminine.
Wait, you didn't know. Check camera. You didn't
Onwe
know why.
ihe ya emenwu. Bet
The only you could why.
o nwere ndị ọrụ
Check another.
nwa m ya adị nine ma nwa m maka ligwe ife nchọọ izi ozi n'ụlọ wee mpụwa mkpọ nwa m sị make sure na-eme ife dị etu a izie nke ọzọ dị ka ọkọlụ gị n'ihe chefuo onwe so rapụ ife ahụ a na-asị na ada ndị mgba mara akwụkwọ mana ịmakarịsị ife ncha niile ife biko nne ọla-azụ anụ ụka echedo m okwu ka iji ife abụọ dị okwu fa jebe ọbụla ego kafa na-espend fa spend ba ọbụla
Also, I don't confused. No, I don't know why.
Oh, why, Rob? Oh, why? Yeah.
Okay, man of blood, man. The man with small voice, small bass like that. Man of blood.
To me, oh, no, yeah. But however, you see, these are the type of people who Kenya. Because onye abugoli Kenya, that is a grandfather or grandmother Luama. I don't know how on this planet Earth, somebody that have come of that age, somebody who witnessed the civil war, the genocide meted against Biafrans, because from our voice, you will know that Nonya for the war itself. So tell me why this person am not in a better position if correct that is not getting it right concerning our quest of Biafra freedom. On Kakana Sana okay Kenya. Jewetewu the Nagalo we Moina Nobu Ulo Mwa Jalalo. And this kind of okenye baby safe grandchild na nwa ya na abi ebe kposo ụmụazị se no okenye imagbu efe aso okenye because okenye nwere ihe okenye ada emezi nwere ihe okenye igatago se no okenye pụọ na arụrụ ụmụaka aka. This is the way I look at it, because this kind of a person na-ekwu udo okwu a udo okenye na arụrụ aka too much, you know. Supporting Lasuba with all these madness. And Norman Danya, Juliana Channelinka, not William Channelinka, not where then Nabahana was no again, and one was one good na, you know, Fulani, the Fulani woman, over a go. You can imagine such. It's so awkward. And Mazika, it's very good that now we've talked about this program, yeah. You were a fresh command and the matter, but there's something that you said that honor only, no, is that what you said? Is not popular.
On the house. Oh, MMD video on our second platform.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I know, yeah. Not the sequel one, no. A call of Koga, and Yellow Beacos, Venyaro. Yataganam, Okokonuaro, Yanos, our name. Yes, and then. And if you ego or generated from, I think, from Emeka Ghana and Co. and they won't who are phone, you know. You said it the way it is. I believe in that. Even she herself also that na discuss that na record after the company that na the person had drop group. Then we want about the record. After that, another one and another one. Automatically it proves that no her own record leaking out. But on what was the capacity it trace how that record leaked out from her. Emma Asonia can I uncle. Then you know, we come on forward there to the wrong person.
Yeah, something like that. Everyone never goes in a second phone, yeah.
Yes. So Asonia can I uncle now, maybe on a check off for that as second phone here, or however, forward the Zania into wrong place without even more than for the year.
We are an occasion on a platform.
And you see that one more would be as a organ. You know, somebody said Dorka brother Batan they put that name we can anyway and a budge. But
Yes,
because
sir.
I didn't mind, then came like the other one. Came cast over the bubble before. Oh my God.
Come
Cannot
again.
walk here before. Cannot that walk here before. One guy like that not walk here before.
You
Oh
go
my
to
God. He go to one year. Yeah. It's like Oyenka or the call Bochana or the
all of
Fugiana one thing.
all,
Or can
all
I
can
walk here?
all that we
Hello.
are not on a comment section now.
Hello, Mela. Hello, Mela. So that our brother Neku. Now that would be a zao. Okay, now Luana. I think there's something that is bonding them. Something is bonding them. If you look at which we already explained now, good no nyane uchi voice ebona it you got to na we pụtakwuo onye nke a azịa meaning that na enwere ihe amaala gbasara ya and if
Oh,
onye ka
didn't make a man than again at different fan.
ọ kamera down na ọ ga mmadụ ka onye mgbe ka onye a esi eme ụdị onye a na-aga ọnwụcha ụlọachị ya etu a ya na obi eze nwere ike na-apịa m nwa kamera down wee jidefa n'ọlụ aka bikos agadi nwaanyị dị etu a na-ekwu okwu ịhụgoro ụdị mkpu ọ na-eti na omeghe ọ na-asụ ude
mgbu ndị ọkụ na-agba na befanet
alụ mere nwanne m alụ mere
oyi ike mee
alụ mere ịmara mma ndị be anyị anyway kekwana isi m kwuru maazị kai onye na-akpụkọta ngwa biya somehow I wonder things. Even these people negative this woman. I don't know. Upon all these things we go on social media, they know. This is a woman that cannot even organize. She cannot organize them. Can I make a match? Then I will only Biafra. A woman now. Otu nnọkọ ezinụlọ weta ego ma o si n'azụ n'aka ndị mmadụ ego o sendiele nwa ya na Naịjirịa mbụ afịa oge chukwu ya o sendieli ya nke aka iwe fụka ụwa si wee dị ọpọ ihe niile o sendieli nwa ya ego niile a nwere nke bara ha uru emechakwa end up on ịma kọndọktọ just imagine that and she's proud of that. Think is there about this kind of history.
Oh, I don't know many things now.
That's very bad. Very, very bad of her. You know. As a guy, this woman is nothing, absolutely nothing. Then I watched the program about one and I put in Taba. You know.
Okay.
Well, I just look at it, the audacity, the way the woman talks, with authority. So I think I need to look more deeper and know even after one or even after Europe. Because now, once on you much of time now, which I give. Si na nwere ndị mmụọ na-akụrụ ịgba n'ime oge ghọtago. If you look at the way the woman is talking about our leader, Mazi kind of giving instruction, talking as if I don't know how to say it. If you look at the way she talk about Mazi Simon Ekpa PM, giving instruction and dishing out something nke ebechara sọsọ na DOS asịrọ. There's something that is going on. And the way she's gallivanting in the homeland without any interruption, without even any questioning, there are more to that. But I just believe that now, no distant time, when we interact with now, or at least could call one that now. It will be very, very nice because now this journey I'm going. I hear a lot of people that this journey mama go still they will come up. to do some certain things. You know, I don't want to use the word no na agbawa obi, but in any anya too, or na the kayas na or there is a or the kayas nya ka ọnwụ mgbe ka alụla aka. You got to go, you know. So my brother, it is well. We are moving. God
Yes,
grace.
so thank you, my
we
brother.
will
Thank you
achieve
so
our aim.
Thank you.
They will
You
manage
bring
time. They were in.
There, my
Thank
brother.
you
Call
very
it
much.
tomorrow. All right. So, my people, we are going to wind down now. God bless all of you for joining us. This is midnight. Okay, and midnight Biafran time. We are going to end it here. King of Harmonican, greetings to you. Thank you for joining us. And Amadichi Goze, you started with you are the first to make comment, and you seem to be the last as well. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here with us. Mam Yume, greetings to you. Victoria Weke, our sister, Ezin wife, all of you in the comment section. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And see you tomorrow. Good night to you all. Bye bye for now.